Hello everyone, today we are with GK book Know for Sure for class 5. I hope you have seen my previous videos of this syllabus. Let us continue. With page number 50, Holy Places. There are some of the famous cities of pilgrimage which draw lots of visitors each year. The city of Wittenberg lies on the Elbe River southeast of Berlin, Germany. In 1517, religious reformer Martin Luther challenged the ideas of the Catholic Church by nailing a list of questions called the 95 Theses on the door of the castle church in Wittenberg, starting a movement called the Protestant Reformation. Mecca is a city in Saudi Arabia, is holiest of Muslim cities. Mecca is a place where Muhammad, the founder of Islam, was born and received the knowledge that was later written in the Quran. All devout Muslims attempt a Hajj pilgrimage to Mecca at least once in their lifetime. No non-Muslims are allowed in Mecca. Lumbini is a grove near the southern border of Nepal. Modern Nepal is the place where the founder of Buddhism, Siddhartha Gautama, was born between the 6th and the 4th centuries BCE. There are several sacred monuments located here, such as Pushkarni, the pond where Siddhartha was bathed after being born. The site is a popular place of Buddhist pilgrimage. The Vatican City, the seat of the Roman Catholic Church, is situated on the west bank of the Tiber River in Italy. Tiber River in Italy is the world's smallest fully independent nation-state. The Vatican City has its own telephone system, post office, gardens, astronomical observatory, radio station, banking system, and pharmacy, as well as a contingent of Swiss guards responsible for the personal safety of the Pope since 1506. Now next is the Western Wall, also called the Wailing Wall or Kotel, in the old city of Jerusalem, Israel, is a pilgrimage site sacred to the Jews. The Western Wall, which is the part of an earlier wall of an ancient Jewish temple, measures about 50 meters long and about 20 meters high. Visitors write their petitions and prayers on small pieces of paper and insert these papers into the cracks between the stones. The Golden Temple, also known as Sri Harmandir Sahib, is an important pilgrimage site for Sikhs and is located in Amritsar, Punjab. The first Harmandir Sahib was built in 1604 by Arjun Dev, the fifth Sikh Guru. The temple was destroyed several times by Afghan invaders and was finally rebuilt in marble and copper overlaid with gold foil during the reign of Maharaja Ranjit Singh 1801 to 39. The Shrine of Bab, located on Mount Carmel, Haifa, Israel, is a pilgrimage site for followers of the Baha'i faith. The shrine is the burial place of Mirza Ali Muhammad of Shiraz, popularly known as Bab, who founded the Babi religion, which later gave birth to the Baha'i faith in 1800s. Let's see quick quiz. Where was Mahavira, the founder of Jainism, born? In Vaishali, Bihar. Where is Shatrunjay? The most important pilgrimage site for Jain monks is located in Gujarat. In which country is Adam's Peak located? Where a large hollow resembling the print of a human foot is venerated by Buddhists Muslims and Hindus is Sri Lanka. Name the world's largest religious structure is Angkor Wat. Which is the most visited Hindu temple in India? It's Tirumala Tirupati temple. Now the next is Quiz Yourself, page number 52. Which city hosted the 2014 Asian Games? It's Incheon, South Korea. Which of these diseases is not caused by insect bite? It's goiter. Who was Sania Mirza's partner in their winning match for the 2016 Australian Open title in the women's doubles category? It's Martina Hingis. Number 4. What is the capital of Japan? The capital of Japan is Tokyo. What is the full form of the political party AAP? Aam Aadmi Party. In November 2015, who became the fastest ever Indian cricketer to take 150 test wickets? It's Ravichandran Ashwin. Number 7. Which of the letters given below fills the blank in the series D, H, L, P, T and X? Number 8. Which state was Jharkhand formerly a part of? Is Bihar. What is the name of the highest dam in India with a height of 260 meters? The answer is Tihri Dam. Number 10. What is the capital of Goa? Answer is Panaji. Number 11. Which very popular film was about an alien whose full name was Punmya Kushal? Is PK. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Is wireless fidelity. Number 13. Which of these substances is a constituent of water? Oxygen, helium or nitrogen? Answer is oxygen. Number 14. What is the official distance of a marathon race in the Olympic Games? It's 42.195 km. Number 15. Which is the longest river on earth? The answer is Nile. Now next page is Bridge the Gap. Completed in 1883, the Brooklyn Bridge connects Brooklyn with Manhattan through the East River. For a long time, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world and has become an iconic landmark of New York City. The bridge has a wide pedestrian walkway open to cyclists and people on foot. Tower Bridge is a movable suspension bridge located in London over the River Thames, is the next to the Tower of London and has been an iconic symbol of London for decades. It took 8 years for the construction to be completed and was done by the year 1894. The world's longest bridge over water is the Qingdao Haiwan Bridge in China. It was opened in 2007. The bridge is 42.4 km long. The bridge has 6 lanes to serve an estimated 30,000 cars each day. The Bandra Worli Sea Link, officially called the Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link in Mumbai, India, was inaugurated in June 2009, linking the main island of Mumbai to its suburbs. This bridge is India's first 8-lane freeway over the open sea. The bridge has been built to reduce traffic congestion and to help commuters cut down their travel line. Now next is completed in 1998, the Pearl Bridge in Japan is the world's longest cable suspension bridge. The bridge connects the islands of Awaji to Honshu. Before the bridge was built, the only way to commuting was the passenger ferry, which would often experience dangerous storms. Located near the Sydney Opera House, the Sydney Harbour Bridge is a steel arch bridge across the Sydney Harbour. The bridge was opened in 1932 and was Sydney's tallest structure until 1967. It is one of the world's tallest steel arch bridges. measuring 134 meters from top to the sea level. The bridge is also called the Kothenjar. Now, can you name the bodies of water on which these famous bridges stand? Havra Bridge is on River Hooghly, Milao Bridge is on River Tarn, and Golden Gate Bridge on Golden Gate Strait. Recognize these bridges. This is Arch Bridge, this is Cantilever Bridge, and this is Suspension Bridge. Now next is Indian authors. Write the name of authors whose books are given below. Number 1. Coolie is written by Mulk Raj Anand. Number 2. Train to Pakistan is written by Khushwant Singh. An autobiography of the unknown Indian is written by Neeraj C. Chaudhary. Malgudi Days is written by Mr. R.K. Narayan. The Shadow Lines is written by Mr. Amitabh Ghosh. The Palace of Illusions is written by Chitra Banerjee Devakaruni. The Inheritance of Loss is written by Kiran Desai. The Room on the Roof is written by Ruskin Bond. Midnight Children is written by Salman Rushdie. And Immortals of Meluha is written by Amish Tripathi. Rabindranath Tagore was the first Asian and first non-white to receive a Nobel Prize. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his work Gitanjali, a collection of poems. He also wrote the national anthem of India. In 1901, Tagore founded an experimental school initially called Path Bhavan at an ashram called Shanti Niketan, Abode of Peace, where he tried to blend the best of Indian and Western learning traditions. It later grew into the Vishwabharati University. Puppetry in India. Puppetry has an old tradition. In India, there are 4 major types of puppetry: string, shadow, rod, and glove. Let's explore some traditional forms of puppetry practiced in India. Yampuri, this is the name of the traditional rod puppets from Bihar. They are made of wood. These puppets are in one piece and have no joints and so require higher skill to move them. Putul Naach, this form of puppetry comes from West Bengal. The puppets, usually about 1 meter in height, are tied to the waist of the puppeteer with a bamboo rod. The puppeteers, hiding behind a full-length curtain, move the same way that they want the puppets to move while they sing and deliver dialogues. Kundhei, this form of puppetry has its roots in Odisha. These puppets have no legs and wear long flowing skirts. The puppets have multiple joints, which makes them easy to move in different ways. Bomalattam, found in Tamil Nadu, this form of puppetry features the heaviest and biggest puppets among all traditional Indian puppet forms. They often reach up to 1.5 meter height. They are moved with the help of both springs and rods. Now page 63, Raman Chaya is the form of shadow puppetry which originated in Odisha. The puppets are carved as single large blocks and have no joints. They are not colored and hence throw opaque shadows on the screen. They are made from deer skin and have dramatic poses. In addition of human and animal characters, many props such as trees, mountains, and chariots are also used in this form of puppetry. Tholu Bomalata, in this form of puppetry, which originated in Andhra Pradesh, the puppets are large in size and have jointed base. Shoulders, elbows, and knees, they are colored on both sides, front and back. The themes of these puppet shows are taken mostly from episodes in the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Let's see quick quiz. Name the Indian painter who has won the Padma Vibhushan and is known as the Picasso of India is M.F. Hussain. Named the Padam Vibhushan winning architect and planner from Goa, who is sensitive to the needs of urban poor. He is known for using traditional methods and materials is Charles Korea. He is renowned Marathi playwright is Vijay Tendulkar. Named the Padam Vibhushan winning singer is known as Ghazal King is Jagjit Singh. Now 7 wonders of the world. Christ the Redeemer is a huge statue of Jesus Christ located on the top of Mount Corcovado in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It took 5 years to construct this statue. It was completed in 1931 and stands 30 meters tall. Its horizontally outstretched arms spanning 28 meters. It is a symbol of the warmth of the Brazilian people who welcome visitors with open arms. Petra, the center of Arab Kingdom, is the ancient city located in Jordan. Petra is a half-built, half-carved into the rock and is surrounded by mountains full of passages and gorges. In ancient times, it served as a major caravan center for the incense of Arabia, the silks of China and the spices of India. The place is valuable for its elaborate tomb and temple architecture and extensive water system, including dams, cisterns, rock-carved water channels, and ceramic pipes. The Great Wall of China actually consists of numerous walls, many of them parallel to each other, built over some 2 millennia across northern China and southern Mongolia. The most extensive version of the wall runs for some 8,850 km east to west. Although lengthy sections of the wall are now in ruins or have disappeared completely, it is still one of the most remarkable structures on earth. It was built to protect the country from Mongol invaders. It is one of the largest building construction projects ever undertaken. Machu Picchu is a site of ancient ruins located about 80 km northwest in Cusco, Peru. The dwellings of Machu Picchu were probably built and occupied from the mid-15th to the early or mid-16th century. The reason for the site's abandonment is unknown, but lack of water may have been a factor. It was rediscovered later by the Yale University professor Hiram Bingham in 1911. The Pyramid of Chichen Itza is one of the most famous buildings in Chichen Itza, Mexico. It is known as El Castillo, the castle. It has 4 sides, each with 91 stairs. These combine for a total of 365 steps, the number of days in the solar year. This 9-platform pyramid rises to the height of 24 meters. Now next is the Roman Colosseum is a large oval stadium located in the center of Rome. This structure with 50,000 seats stands on the bed of a dried artificial lake. Unlike earlier amphitheaters, which were nearly all dug into convenient hillsides for extra support, the Colosseum is a free-standing structure of stone and concrete, measuring 620 feet by 513 feet overall. Even today, after 2,000 years of existence, its design forms the basis of every modern sports stadium. The Taj Mahal is a beautiful white marble mausoleum on the south bank of the Yamuna River in Agra, India. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. The construction work on the monument began in 1932 and it took 22 years and 20,000 workers to complete it. Now quick quiz. This statue was a gift to the United States from the people of France is a Statue of Liberty. The massive bell of this clock tower at the Palace of Westminster in London weighs more than 13 tons is Big Ben or Elizabeth Tower. Three of its 8 stories were ready when the uneven settling of the building's foundations in the soft ground were noticed, which led to a permanent tilt to the tower is Leaning Tower of Pisa. The unique series of white sail-shaped cells as its roof for a grand theatre makes it one of the most photographed buildings in the world is Sydney Opera House. This is all for this till page number 65. Watch my next videos for the next labels. Thank you. Have a nice time. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you once again.